Hi, I am Colene, a global speaker and a certified international trainer and life coach from Singapore. So first of all, I would like to thank ILA and Kaushik Mahapatra for the opportunity to undergo the 6 weeks ITC program by ILA. And what stood out to me the most during my program, ITC program, was the rainbow model. So the rainbow model has brought much clarity and wisdom towards my journey as a life coach, and it has made me understand the reason behind me serving people. It's a discovery process and understanding my purpose, and it has taught me practical skills, tools, and techniques to serve clients. And it has taught me how to brand myself as a coach and as a trainer, and I'm very thankful for all the wisdom shared by all the trainers and speakers from ILA. It has really brought much clarity and wisdom. So if you're looking for a comprehensive and well-rounded course to be an international trainer and coach, I would recommend this course to you, the ITC program by ILA. Thank you very much.